Good morning. It's Saturday. I was going to do this video Wednesday, but we had snow. Lots of snow. In fact, it's whiter outside than it is here. Right. So far, all my junk's now up there. I've started working down here. I've done some upgrades down here. Graham's lakeside truck's loaded. So is Northeast and Tony. The office is being regenerated, whatever you want to call it. Coming along here, the coach park is done. The memorial for Lord Stephen, very important railwayman, is in, and the bus terminus is started. I've also put a piece of wood along there because I'm bringing that one out by about 3 inch, 2.5, 3 inch, to give it so the road's not on the edge. Yep. Oops, sorry, that's me dropping the phone. Right, I've started working on the tunnel area over there. As you can see, I'm bringing the train line along there, and it's going to come around and loop around here into the station. Over there is going to be the castle. Over here is going to be houses and shops. Over there is the town, obviously. I'm losing the phone again, hang on. That's it really. Right, I've decided I'm going to change how I do things. As you all know, I always give shout outs. To be honest, I'm not. If something pops up, then I will give a quick shout out to someone, i.e. like Graham, who gave me a shout out last year to increase my subscribers from 8 to 180 odd. That's it. I'm no longer giving shout outs for just weekly things to do. Right, my last video was, as you know, the Christmas video, which funny enough is still there. I've not really been in the shed. I came in the shed to do the Christmas video, but that's all. I haven't been in the shed up until this week. January is a bad month for me anyway, because it's the anniversary of my son's death, and also this January my older brother passed away, so that took January out totally for me this year. February I was still a bit down, so I started coming in at the end of February, but as I say, this week it's been a total washout because of the snow. It snowed Wednesday, snowed Thursday, and it snowed yesterday morning. All these whiteboards outside, I'm getting that shade back. All these whiteboards outside are covered in snow and ice because it froze last night. But I hope you can see the general idea of what I'm trying to do. And so there's going to be the castle, there's going to be my place. Behind there is going to be the sea side. I've worked along here. I've done some bits and pieces over there. The main thing I've done down here though is put the memorial garden in. Started on the bus terminal, done the coach park, done the car park for the office block, which is being, as you can see now, being renovated, and that's basically it down here. I've started over there with the forming, which will run down the length of the station. Once I've got that dried over there, it might be dried now because I've done that Tuesday, so that should be dried now. I'm then going to take it up higher, obviously, and do the castle on that corner there, followed by my house, followed by different things all the way down, and so on. Also, from this video, after this video, I'll actually show you what I do and how I do it. I'm going to put more emphasis in showing what I'm doing and not what I've done, if that makes sense. So it's it's only a short video. So I shall speak to you soon. Hopefully I'll start putting videos out weekly, weather permitting. But I think this was the last heavy snowfall we've had. I don't think we're going to get any more. Might just get the odd flurry until April, which is normal. Oh yeah, April, I'm away a lot. I'm away from the 20th of April. We're going up to Wales, doing the Llangollen train, and then we're going up into, we're staying just outside Harlech, and we're going to try and do the Welsh Island Railway and also the Festiniog again, but I've done that before I started my own layout, so I might do that. And we're going to visit a few castles, which I won't put on here. Then in May, I can't think of the name, but it goes from Buckfast down to Tones. I'm going to revisit that railway line. Then in July, I'm back up in Ravensglass, revisiting that railway, thanks to my son, who brought me brought us an afternoon tea again. So I've explained April, Llangollen, Welsh Island, Festiniog, maybe one or two, maybe one more, I don't know, but basically, yeah. And May, we're redoing the Buckfast to Towns. If I've got time, I might redo the one that pulls out to Kingsmead. I can't think of the name of the train line. We might get that one done, but I have got a time factor because I've also got to visit Plymouth and my favourite model shop. Okay, right, I'm going to cut you loose. I'm waffling and I'm fed up of waffling. So next week, hopefully I can get another video up and make a lot of progress. So Okay, so I'm cutting off now. Bye, 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 and a bye.